Hello everyone, in this video we are going to cover 2-mark important questions. First question, find the HCF and LCM of 3, 8 and 15. Answer, factorization of 3 is 3 into 1 and factorization of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 cube, and factorization of 15 is 5 into 3. HCF means it is a common factor in all these three things. There is nothing common in all these three, so HCF is 1. And LCM is 3 into 2 power 3 into 5, because here 2 times 3 is there, but we have to write 1 times because LCM means we have to take the highest power in the common. Here common is 3, highest power is 1, and in these two is there. 2 power highest power is 2 power 3 into 5 power 1. So after multiplication we will get 120. Next question, prove that 6 minus root 5 is an irrational number. Answer, let us assume that 6 minus root 5 is one rational number. We know that every rational number can be written in the form of a by b. Here a and b are integer and denominator, that is b is not equal to 0, and these a and b are co-prime, that means HCF of a comma b equal to 1. So transpose all the numbers except root to the other side. So a by b transpose to this side becomes minus a by b, minus root 5 transpose to other side becomes plus root 5. So 6 minus a by b equal to root 5. After taking LCM, 6b minus a divided by b equal to root 5. We know that 6a, b, all these are integer. So 6b minus a divided by b is one rational number. LHS is rational means RHS is also one rational number. So root 5 is one rational number. But we know that root 5 inside the square root prime number is one irrational number. Therefore, which is a contradiction to the fact that root 5 is one irrational number. This contradiction arises due to our wrong assumption 6 minus root 5 is rational. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. 6 minus root 5 is one irrational number. Next question, find the number of terms in the AP 12, 15, 18 so on up to 99. Here first term A is equal to 12 and the common difference D is equal to 15 minus 12, that is equal to 3, and the last term is given AN equal to 99. We have to find the number of terms, that is n value we have to find. Formula, nth term of an AP, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An value is 99 equal to a value 12 plus n value we have to find minus 1, d value is 3. So 12 is transposed to this side becomes 99 minus 12 equal to n minus 1 into 3. 99 minus 12 is 87. 3 is multiplied, transposed to this side becomes divided by 3 equal to n minus 1. 87 by 3 is 29. Minus 1 transposed to this side becomes plus 1. So 29 plus 1 is equal to 30. Therefore, number of terms in this AP is 30. Next question, solve 2x plus y equal to 11 and 3x minus y equal to 14. The method is not mentioned here. You can solve this by substitution method or by elimination method. I am solving here by elimination method. So plus y and minus y both are having the same coefficient. So plus y minus y getting cancelled. 2x plus 3x equal to 5x. 11 plus 14 equal to 25. 5 is multiplied, transposed to this side becomes 25 by 5, that is equal to 5. Substitute x equal to 5 in equation 1 or in equation 2. So from equation 1, 2 into x value 5 plus y equal to 11. 2 5s are 10 plus y equal to 11. So 10 is transposed to other side becomes 11 minus 10. So y equal to 1. So x equal to 5 and y equal to 1 is the solution for given pair of equation. Next question, the product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. Find the integer. Consecutive positive integer means the integer comes one after another. So if I take one integer as x, then the other integer becomes x plus 1. Here it is given product is 306. So x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. So x into x, x square, x ones are x equal to 306. 306 transposed to this side becomes minus 306. We have to solve this quadratic equation by factorization method, that is by splitting the middle term. Multiplication of two number is minus 306 and addition of the two number is plus 1. The two numbers are 18 minus 17. So plus 18 because this carries a plus sign. So plus 18 minus 17 x. In these two common is x, remaining is x plus 18. In these two common is minus 17, remaining is x plus 18. Again in these two x plus 18 is common, remaining is x minus 17. Multiplication of two numbers 0 means either one of them 0. So x plus 18 equal to 0 or x minus 17 equal to 0. X plus 18 equal to 0 means x equal to minus 18 or x minus 17 equal to 0 minus 17 transposed to other side becomes x equal to plus 17. Either x equal to minus 18 or x equal to plus 17. But it is given that x is one positive integer, so x should not be negative. So x equal to 17 is the answer. X equal to 17, then the consecutive integer x plus 1 is 17 plus 1 equal to 18. Therefore required numbers are 17 and 18. So this question has an OR question. The length of a rectangular field is thrice of its breadth. If I take length as L, breadth as B, then given is L is equal to 3 times of B. And the area of the field is given 147 meter square. Then find its length and breadth. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth is given 147. In the place of L, I can write 3B. 3B into B equal to 147. B into B square. 3 is multiplied, comes to this side, becomes division. So B square is equal to 49. That implies on taking square root on both sides, we will get B equal to plus or minus 7. Breadth is also one line segment length, so it never be negative. So B value is plus 7. B is plus 7 means L is equal to 3 into B, that is 3 into 7, that is equal to 21 meter. Next question. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line joining 0, 6 and 4, 3 in the ratio 1:2. That means 0, 6 is one point and 4, 3 is the another point. This line is divided by a point P in the ratio 1:2 given. We have to find this point. Here we are using the section formula. Section formula is P of x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Here m1 value is 1 and m2 value is 2, x1 y1 value is 0, 6 and x2 y2 value is 4, 3. After substituting the value, we will get 1 into 4 plus 2 into 0 divided by 1 plus 2 and 1 into 3 plus 2 into 6 divided by 1 plus 2. Here 1 4s are 4, 2 zeros are 0. 4 plus 0 is 4 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Here 3 1s are 3 plus 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 by 3 is 5. So required coordinate is 4 by 3, 5. Next question. If sin A is equal to 3 by 4, find the value of cos A and tan A. Sin A we know that. Here B I will take it as 90 degrees. Sin A means opposite side by hypotenuse. We have to find the adjacent side by using Pythagoras property. Pythagoras property says square of hypotenuse equal to sum of square of other two sides. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC value 4 square equal to AB square we have to find plus 3 square. 4 square is 16 plus 3 square, that is 9 comes to this side, becomes minus 9 equal to AB square. 16 minus 9 is 7. On taking square root on both sides, we will get AB equal to root 7. So AB value root 7. We have to find the value of cos A. Cos A means adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is root 7 by 4. Tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent side, that is tan A equal to 3 by root 7. It has an OR question. Find the value of sin 30 plus cos 30 divided by cosecant 30 minus cot 45. This is direct question by using a particular value for the trigonometric function. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2 and cos 60 value is also 1 by 2 divided by cosecant 30 value is 2 minus cot 45 value is 1. Half plus half is 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1 is the answer. Next question, a die is thrown twice. What is the probability of getting the sum of numbers on its face is 10. That means we have to toss a 2 dice. When tossing a 2 dice, the total number of outcome is 36. You can remember the column given in the textbook, that is 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. Total 36 outcome will come. What is given? Sum of the number of the two faces is 10. Possibilities are 6, 4. So 6, 4 is 10 and 5, 5 and 4, 6. Only these possibilities are there. 3, 7 and 7, 3, all these are not possible because 7 is not a outcome in a die. Dice has only 1 to 6 numbers. So number of favorable outcome is 1, 2, 3. Total outcome is 36. So probability of getting a sum of the faces is 10 is favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome, that is 3 by 36, that is equal to 1 by 12. Next question, prove that 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. For this, we have to use the contradictory method. Let us assume that 2 plus root 3 is one rational number. Every rational number can be written in the form of a by b. A and b are integer, b not equal to 0, and these two are co-prime. So already I told transpose the number except the square root to the other side. So 2 transpose to this side becomes minus 2. On taking LCM, b is comes here. So a minus 2b whole divided by b. Here 2a, b are integer. So a minus 2b by b is one rational number. LHS is a rational number, means RHS is also rational number. That means root 3 is one rational number. But we already know root 3 is one irrational number. This is a contradiction to this statement. So this contradiction occurs because of our wrong assumption. Therefore our assumption is wrong. 2 plus root 3 is one irrational number. Next question, solve 2x plus y equal to 12 and x plus 2y equal to 9. First you have to see the coefficient. Coefficient of x is 2 and coefficient of x is 1, not same. And coefficient of y is 1 and coefficient of y is 2. This is also not same. First we have to make the coefficient of any one variable is same. I will take this as first equation and this is second equation. To make the coefficient of x is same, I have to multiply this equation by 2. So 2 into x is 2x, 2 2s are 4 and 9 2s are 18. On solving these two equations, I will get 2x minus 2x 0, 4y minus y is 3y equal to 18 minus 12 is 6. 3 is multiplied, comes to this side, becomes divide. So y equal to 6 by 3. So y equal to 2. On substituting in equation 1, so 2x plus y value 2 equal to 12. So 2 is transposed to this side, becomes 12 minus 2 equal to 10. 2 is multiplied, comes to this side, becomes division. So x equal to 5 is the solution. Next question, find the value of k if the quadratic equation x square minus kx plus 4 equal to 0 has equal roots. The quadratic equation has equal roots, then discriminant is 0. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Here a value is coefficient of x square 1 and b value coefficient of x is minus k and c value is constant of 4. So b square minus k square minus 4, a value 1, c value 4 equal to 0. So k square 4 4s are 16 minus 4 16 comes to this side, become plus 16. So k equal to square root of 16, that is plus or minus 4. It has our question, the sum of the square of two consecutive positive integer. I already told consecutive positive integers are x and x plus 1. Sum means addition. Sum of square of consecutive integer means x square plus x plus 1 whole square equal to 13. So x square, this is in the form of a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 13 equal to 0. X square plus x square is 2x square plus 2x minus 13 plus 1 is minus 12 equal to 0. On divided by 2 we will get x square plus x minus 12 by 2 is 6 equal to 0. We have to solve this by factorization method, that is multiplication of two number is minus 6 and addition is 1, that is 3 2s are 6, 3 minus 2 is 1. So x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. In these two x is common, remaining is x plus 3, and in these two 2 is common, x plus 3 is remaining, and in these two x plus 3 common, remaining is x minus 2 equal to 0. Multiplication of two numbers 0 means either one of them 0. X plus 3 equal to 0 implies x equal to minus 3. X minus 2 equal to 0 means x equal to plus 2. Since this is a positive integer, so x equal to minus 3, it is not possible, x equal to 2. So another positive integer is x plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Therefore required consecutive numbers are 2 and 3. Next one, find the distance between the point A of 3, 2 and B of 6, 2 using distance formula. Here x1, y1 value I will take it as 3, 2 and x2, y2 equal to 6, 2. Distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. On substituting 6 minus 3 whole square, 2 minus 2 whole square. 6 minus 3 is 3 square plus 0 square. 3 square is 9. Square root of 9 value is 3 units. 13th one, find the coordinates of the midpoint of the point P of 3, 4 and Q of 5, 6. x1, y1 equal to 3, 4, x2, y2 equal to 5, 6. So midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So 3 plus 5 divided by 2, 4 plus 6 divided by 2. 5 plus 4 is 8, 8 by 2. 6 plus 4 is 10 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 4s are, 2 1s are 2 5s are. 4, 5 is the midpoint of these two coordinates. Next question, find the 20th term of the AP minus 2, 1, 4, 7 and so on. Here A value is, first term is minus 2 and D value 1 minus of minus 2 equal to minus into minus plus 2 plus 1 is 3. And we have to find the 20th term, means n equal to 20. Formula, nth term of an AP, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A20 equal to a value minus 2, n value 20 minus 1 into d value 3. Minus 2 plus 19 into 3. 19 3s are 57. 57 minus 2 is 55. Next question. Given that HCF of 306, 657 equal to 9, find the LCM. We know that HCF into LCM is a multiplication of two number. So HCF 9 LCM we have to find equal to 306 into 657. So 9 is multiplied, comes to this side, becomes division. So 9 1s are 9, 34s are 306. 34 into 657 is 22,338. So LCM of these two number is 22,338. Next one, XP and XQ are the tangent from a point X to the circle. R is a point on the circle and the tangent through R intersect XP and XQ at A and B respectively. Prove that XA plus AR equal to XB plus BR. Here figure is not given, we have to draw a figure. O is the center of circle, XP and XQ are the tangent from the point X, and R is a point. Through R we have to draw a tangent which touches XP at A and XQ at B. Here A is one external point, AP equal to AR, B is one external point, BR is equal to BQ, because tangent drawn from the external point are equal. So we know that XP equal to XB, XQ because tangents drawn from X. So XP can be written as XA plus AP, but AP equal to AR. In the place of AP, AR. XBQ can be written as XB plus BQ. In the place of BQ, we can write BR. This is also from theorem 2. A heap of rice is in the form of a cone of diameter 9 meter and height is 3.5 meter. Find the volume of rice. The heap is in the form of cone, so volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Diameter is given 9, radius is 9 by 2. So 1 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7 into r value 9 by 2 into 9 by 2 into h value is 3.5. So 7 ones are 7 5s are 35, that is 0.5, 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 2, 11s are. After multiplying 11, 3 and 9, we will get 297 and 2 into 0.5 means 1 by 2. Again 2 2s are 4. After dividing these two numbers, we will get 74.25 meter cube because this is volume. Next one, the radius of a sphere is 10 centimeter. If it is increased by 1 centimeter, that means radius is 10 centimeter, increased by 1 centimeter means radius becomes 11 centimeter. Find the volume of the sphere, increased portion we have to find. So volume of outer circle minus volume of inner circle. So volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So r2 cube minus r1 cube. 4 by 3 pi is common in these two. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 11 cube minus 10 cube. 11 cube is 1331 minus 10 cube is 1000. After subtracting this, we will get 331. After solving these numbers, we will get 1387.04 centimeter cube.